I love just corners, man. Oh, I love this. Today's vlog is gonna be quite different in terms of how the footage looks actually, because I'm shooting at 24 frames. And 24 frames I'm shooting at 24 frames to make the footage look, you know, more cinematic. So all the movies that you see, everything is actually shot at 24 frames. So it'll actually make me make it look like I'm going even faster. Without that motion blur look, you won't have that cinematic feel in your footages. Oh, another biker here. I've not seen a biker in this area, and he has his plates up. He's on full gear as well. I think it was a 2023 S1000RR. So we got a thumbs up from that kid. Now he's thumbs upping all the cars. That was pretty funny. That guy did a thumbs up and he started beating his own head. I don't know what he thought. We're actually having like some sort of a sandstorm. I swear, right when I choose to ride in the day, we have like all amazing weather. That guy had no helmet on. I've not seen that very often in Dubai. So tell me how this footage looks actually. This is one of the biggest Lulu malls in Dubai actually. It's a Silicon Central Mall. It's damn windy actually. So that's the thing. I don't know how this footage is gonna look like, huh? It's gonna be totally new for you guys, and it's gonna be new for me also. I swear, my face is getting pulled left and right from the wind. Let me also talk a little bit about the, the bike culture in Dubai. You have sports groups, you have people who ride sports bikes, you have people who buy Harleys, you have people who ride, touring bikes. You'll find every sort of group, okay? You all only need to go to Facebook. You'll find so many groups. You ride with few people, you get to know them, and then you can go on bigger rides with them. The thing is, I prefer not to ride with people I don't know. Like, it's as it's just personal preference. There's nothing wrong in it, but it's just personal preference. I prefer to ride with people I know. So in my group, I know all the people very well. I know each of the people. I know each of the rider, how they ride, where they will brake, where they will accelerate. I know their mind. I know how they think. So I can be prepared when you're doing those sort of group rides. But when you're going with someone or with a group where you don't know anyone, right? In those sort of scenarios, it's so hard because you have to understand that person. Maybe they could be a very rash driver, maybe they could not, maybe they could be a very amazing driver. You don't know that. And I do ride mostly with people with sports bikes. We have a group, which are our own group called Densitsu, and I'm also part of many other groups, Moto Club, AE, I'm part of some other groups also. But I rarely go for rides, okay? I know a lot of people send me, invites to go to specific rides, like let's go for this, let's meet up in this event and all. But I rarely go for rides, these sort of massive rides. The only ride which I did, the biggest ride which I did, I would say, was that Al Yusuf Motors ride. That ride was the biggest ride I did, hands down. Without a doubt, it was the biggest ride that I did. It had like everything. It had almost 300 bikes. It had amazing bikes, even some cars were there, and then there was a police escort. It was basically everything that you would need. I love riding in this road. Day or night, this road is just fun, So I have to say, if you guys are going to learn one skill when you're riding a motorcycle, you have to learn how to emergency brake. That's your most important thing, I would say. If you don't know how to emergency brake, you won't be able to do many of the things that you want to do, This is the amazing Qudra road. We're 17 kilometers away, 11 minutes. But you can see it's a straight road with a lot of roundabouts. This place is actually more known for cycling because there's a Qudra cycling track over here. So a lot of people cycle in these roads. I love this corners, man. Oh, I love this. It's my favorite part of these roads. Honestly, I don't like to speed. I hate speeding. Like, I just don't like it. It's fun for like 1 or 2 days. You know, it's like the acceleration is what is more important. That's what I like to do. You know, you can go within the speed limit and still have fun. And corners, you're fully within the speed limit. It's just, most people slow down a lot, you slow down much less than them. So that's where the real fun comes, in the corners. Good bike, good boy, good boy. I'm just tapping my bike, letting it know it's a good boy. Or a girl, I don't know. I have to ask Suzuki actually. I think a lot of people are going for Qudra camping now. I enjoy this route every single time. This is the most common route I have done. Like, I've done this route maybe like 50-60 times, maybe more, and I enjoy it every single time. It's even more fun when you're with a bigger group, you know. And you see how clean these places are. Like, this entire area, they've kept it so clean. Like, those are like farms in that area. Like, they have everything. I think those are like greenhouse gas. What is those? What is it? What do you call those things? Greenhouses, yeah, not greenhouse gas. Man, we learned all this in school, okay? Don't judge me now. So they do all this sort of amazing things to make everything look green. Even though this is a desert, you see a lot of plants, you see a lot of see these green things. Is there any spot here? So this is Qudra. This is Qudra. It's packed today. So many people. So that's why I'm gonna go have a coffee in Adnock. After washing the bike, looks clean. Yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys after I get my coffee. Alright, bye bye.